AI tools encompass a wide range of software and applications that leverage artificial intelligence techniques to perform various tasks. These tools are used in various industries and domains to automate processes, make predictions, analyze data, and assist with decision making. This video will focus on one of those tools, which is called Scrip AI. This is its logo. Scrip AI is a video script generator. It is a free video script generator for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos. It can produce your desired content using many content creation templates. Scrip AI is an AI-powered tool designed for quickly generating videos using many templates and forms. How does it work? You have all the steps clearly outlined on the main page of this platform. First of all, you need to select a template, choosing a content creation template, and then you need to fill a form. Automatically, you will get your content. You can join and try it for free to discover all its different features.